How to log in Verizon Wireless. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, in a preferred browser, you can search for secure.verizon.com, or you can search for the keywords Verizon Wireless Login. Either way, go ahead and select on the first suggestion. If you type in secure.verizon.com, you'll be automatically redirected to the login page of Verizon. In here, all you need to do is basically add your user ID or your Verizon mobile number, then tap on the continue button, after which you will have to enter your password. In the case of forgotten user ID or password, select on forgot user ID or password. In that case, it will provide you with a recovery email link or an SMS through which you'll be able to recover your account. If you are new to it, you can tap on create new account as well, through which you'll be able to create your very own Verizon Wireless account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.